Our custom order guides are tailored to your specific needs. Eliminate potential errors by using order guides, ensuring you get the right color, wattage, and bulb types with every order, by only including the products that you need. With prompt deliveries, our order guide standardizes the process for all your locations nationwide. Prices fluctuate, but that doesn't mean your annual lighting budget has to. To protect you from price increases and to prevent you from going over your annual budget, Priority Lighting buys all the products that you'll need annually at a locked-in rate, so you'll know exactly what your costs will be. Managers can view all the locations they oversee in one dashboard, so they can easily approve or deny orders. You can even automatically approve requests below a specific amount. Everything you need is in one place. With our easy-to-use online catalog, you can also duplicate previous orders, saving you time. Always know the status of your requests, from pending approval from a manager to when it's delivered. You will be assigned a dedicated sales representative with your order guide account. Warranty issues? Shipping concerns? We are here to help you before, during, and after your order. Ask questions or share comments on previous and current orders directly from your order guide, and Priority Lighting will take care of you. Unsure of which product in your catalog is the correct one to order? Send us a photo of what you need so your dedicated sales rep can identify it. Within your custom order guide, simply upload a photo of the item. No need to bother with email or fax. Enjoy a streamlined ordering process, easy review and approval flow, direct communication with our team, and quick photo uploads for expedited requests. If you would like Priority Lighting to help streamline your operations, contact us at 800-709-1119 or write to sales@prioritylighting.com today.